So let's begin this presentation for KS Enterprises. They are based out of India. If you wanted to make a purchase, you can simply call Mr. Shetty. The numbers and the email address has been disclosed here. I will put that into link as well. So their mission is to provide top quality eco-friendly material to our end customer and also help them dispose of it in an eco-friendly manner. So like that is what the really strong mission punchline looks like, to ensure that the financial success of our enterprises and also help our customers be a part of value generation. So they are thinking about to generate value chain value into their customers. This is one of the most important mission lines I have read in recent years. Vision is to be the most successful admired manufacturer and marketer of green product in the country, and to ensure both physical and financial well-being of our end customers, channel partners, corporate partners, and people working along with us. Couple of attributes here: it is biodegradable, made from fallen leaves, no plant or trees been cut down. This is really important. Whatever the material product you are using in your hand, that is 100% generated naturally, natural and attractive, which makes it stylish and elegant. And you see, natural material do not need to be a non-stylish, it could be really stylish and elegant, and you will explore that part with me when we are together exploring India. Organic and eco-friendly, no glue been utilized, bonding agent is not utilized, no chemicals have been utilized, no plastic utilized, no wax, no toxins are utilized. This is really important because you are eating your food into these plates, and these are 100% natural material, no synthetic material, no for that heck, no glue even utilized. Durable and versatile, stand up to hot food, liquid and direct sunlight, can hold liquid for around 6 to 8 hours. Compostable, this is really important. If you wanted to recycle it, you just put into a compost plant somewhere into a countryside, and it would be get compost. It's a 100% biodegradable material, so no big deal. Oven, microwave, and a refrigerator. This is one of the most important part because we cook our food in oven, we cook our food in microwave, and these plates are safe for refrigerator, microwave, and oven. Production process, so this is the production process you can see on the screen: gather, clean, dry, steam, press, quality check, and packaging. So this is their entire process. The key KS Enterprises collection. So this is the collection. Basically it's a different type and shapes of the plate. You will have round shape, square shape, oval shape, rectangular shape, and other shape you may wish. So these are basically dies on which you can create those shapes. So if you wanted to design your own die, you can simply ask Mr. Shetty if he can do it for you. So I'm just quickly going through these round shape plates. Really good, wonderful. The texture of these plates are really good, like it looks really good. Look at that. So even you can have this kind of uh, see profile onto that single plate, so that you can keep your different material. These are bowls again, really good and deep bowl. So like I would love to eat Chinese into this kind of bowl. These are square shaped plates, so you can have a design into that as well. Really nice, this is really good. And you can add a profile here to your plate, even square shaped plates. Really good. These are bowls, and these are oval shape. If you wanted to serve a particular type of food, okay, you have the profile as well. And then you see, garnishing food is really important. The visuals of food are really important. If you are a hotel, or if you are a five-star restaurant, you can utilize these kind of plates to even enhance your customers basically experience. Oval shaped plates, and these are rectangular plates. Couple of these are special shaped plates, a heart shaped plate and fish shaped plates you can add even. So not just consumer, not just like consume green, consume in green. Like that is what the punchline. Consume green and consume in green. I literally love this website. I literally love this company. I literally love their product. I literally love their concept. And yes, a big thumbs up to go green. A big thumbs up to uh, uh, to have one more chance for us to go sustainable development. You can order these plates anywhere in world, and we would be happy to send it to you. Thank you. This is Rahul.